Hi everyone, you are most welcome again to our series of eye health education. This is Joel, eye specialist. Now, today I want to highlight why we stress every day and why we emphasize that you need to have an eye checkup. It is very important to have regular eye checkups because there is a lot of things that we screen when we are checking your eyes. I said earlier that it is important to have an eye checkup, and usually we recommend that at least you should go check your eyes once a year. That is every after 12 months. So if you go and they check your eyes and they see that you have no problem, they can book you for an eye checkup for the next 12 months. But if you are living with HIV, diabetes, mellitus, or hypertension, or any other non-communicable disease, you need to have your eye checkup today. Then they can give you an appointment on whether to come back in the next 3 months or to come back in the next 6 months. Then because when we check, there are some things that we follow up to see what is happening to your eyes. There are also other diseases. Of course, diabetes, I've said in the past, and I shared about diabetic retinopathy. If you check my channel, you can see a video about diabetic retinopathy and hypertensive retinopathy. These are the manifestations of these diseases in our eyes. And also, if you look at glaucoma, which I've also discussed, I said earlier that it is a disease that you cannot know that you have, and it is painless, and it causes irreversible loss of vision. So this is a disease that you cannot know that you have until you have an eye checkup. That is why it is very important to have an eye checkup. If you are in a business that requires clear sight, of course all of us need clear sight, but there are kinds of jobs that are vision requiring or that are vision demanding. For example, drivers. I also shared about drivers. We have health workers. We have people who work with digital gadgets. People who work in the ICT departments of different places of work, departments and what have you. People work in ministries. People work at TV stations and radio stations. We have people who work in the education department or academics in the universities. There is a lot of professions that require that your vision is at its best. The challenge is if you do not have an eye checkup, you may not know that your vision is deteriorating. So you need to really have an eye checkup as soon as yesterday so that we rule out any problems that could be taking away your sight unknowingly. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, or you can send me a message and contact me, and then we can talk about this more. Thank you so much for listening, and may God bless you.